In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your shopping cart on eBay efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to online buying, keeping your cart organized is crucial. Let's dive into the process and make your online shopping experience smoother and more manageable. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.ebay.com. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to sign in to your account. Once there, you'll be greeted by the familiar eBay homepage featuring a multitude of categories like electronics, cars, fashion, and collectibles. This homepage serves as your gateway to a world of endless shopping possibilities. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with the tabs and sections on this page if you haven't already. They can greatly enhance your browsing efficiency. Next, let's address how to manage items you add to your shopping cart. Direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the page where you'll see a shopping cart icon. Hover your mouse over this cart logo without clicking it just yet. This action will reveal a drop-down summary of the items currently in your cart. It's a useful feature that allows you to quickly review what you've added so far. Take a moment here to glance over the item details if you wish. Now, if there's something in your cart you've changed your mind about or no longer wish to purchase, we're going to remove it. To do this, look closely at the drop-down list that appears when you hover over the cart icon. There will be a small trash can icon next to each item listed. This icon is a quick access tool designed for removing items. Simply click on this trash icon. You'll notice the item disappears from the drop-down list, confirming its removal from your cart. This process is effective for decluttering and ensuring your cart only contains the items you truly intend to buy. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your eBay shopping cart. Remember that keeping your cart organized helps prevent accidental purchases and ensures you're staying within your shopping budget. It also aids in keeping track of what you plan to buy versus items you might merely be considering for later. By regularly updating your cart, you enhance your overall eBay shopping experience. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you find yourself managing a large number of items or simply wish to stay organized. Enjoy your shopping and happy browsing on eBay.